Embedding images in your spreadsheets will add interest in your data and may help explain the results of your analyses to other users. This guide will teach you how. Open the workbook file in which you want to add images. Decide which type of image is best for your spreadsheet's purpose. Click a blank cell in your worksheet to select it. Insert the appropriate image into your spreadsheet. Resize the image to fit the area you want to fill. Edit the properties of your image. Add a border, shadow, 3D, or other effects to your image. Hover your mouse over a corner of the image until you see the Resize cursor. Click and drag the corner of the image in toward the middle to shrink it. Drag outward to enlarge. Repeat the process to add more images to your worksheet.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.